In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect FP markets in Tradingview. Connecting your broker directly inside Tradingview lets you place trades from the chart, manage open positions, and monitor your account without constantly switching platforms. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and that you're on the main charting page. If you're not there yet, just open Tradingview, sign in, and click on Chart from the main menu. This will open the full-featured chart window where you'll be doing most of your analysis and trading. Once your chart is open, look toward the bottom of the screen for the tab called Trading Panel. This panel is where Tradingview lists all the supported brokers and paper trading options. Go ahead and click on Trading Panel to expand it. If it's minimized, you might just see a small bar, so be sure to fully open it so all the available connections are visible. When the trading panel opens, you'll see a selection of broker logos and names. If FP Markets doesn't appear right away in that initial list, don't worry. Find and click the option that says Show All Brokers. This tells Tradingview to display the complete list of supported broker connections instead of just the most popular or recently used ones. After you click Show All Brokers, you should now see a larger list. Scroll through this list and look for FP Markets. The list is usually organized in a simple, readable way, so take your time to scan down carefully. If your version of Tradingview includes a search bar in this section, you can type FP Markets to find it faster. Once you locate FP Markets, click on it. This will bring up the connection window where Tradingview will ask you to connect your broker account. At this point, you'll typically be prompted to log in with your FP Markets credentials on a secure page. Enter your details carefully, confirm any required permissions, and proceed. When the connection is successful, Tradingview will link your FP Markets account to the chart. From here, you should see your trading options appear directly on Tradingview, allowing you to place and manage trades through FP Markets without leaving the platform. That's all you need to do to connect FP Markets in Tradingview.